Alright, so in my other video I showed you where the location of the mode actuator is on a 5th gen Prelude. I mentioned that I had to actually remove the motor and replace it with a comparable one since the parts are no longer available, even aftermarket. So this is another actuator. One is from the right side, same vehicle. This one controls the air recirculation, and this went out a few years ago. Just wanted to mention that it's a little tricky taking this apart because it's held together by these clips, and if you're not gentle enough, you could break one off. It just sits on these notches here. You don't want to spread it more than maybe a couple of millimeters. Just use your nails to remove it. You'll be able to get it off. And to remove the mode actuator, you will need to remove the cruise control module. It's held in there by a bolt. It's easier to get to the Phillips screws if you remove that cruise control module. Hopefully you wear gloves as well, because you could easily get scratched in there. And then as far as the motor goes, the replacement motor had this worm gear on the shaft, which does not match the gearing. This one's larger, so I had to take the worm gear off of this motor and install it onto the replacement motor that I got. I used a flathead screwdriver to kind of get in there and just gently removed it. It was easier to remove the smaller worm gear, this is off of the bad motor, than the other one. These actuators are used on door locks, on cars as well. These motors and the door actuators as well, door lock actuators. So this worm gear is a little larger. That's pretty much all I could think of that I might have omitted. Drop me a line if you have any further questions in the comments. Appreciate it. Good luck.